Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this 3-pack of dot tablecloths here. And so there's 3 of these. These are 54 by 108 inches. And I'm going to put these on your table or whatever for like a party. Just to protect your table, plus it looks pretty cool. Just put it on there, call it good. And then when you're all done, you could just roll it up and dispose of it if it was damaged, or you could save it for later. So this seems like might be actually, you could use it for multiple uses. It is rather thin, but seems kind of strong too. So looks like you could use it for multiple instances if you needed to. Kind of a pretty tablecloth there with the little dots on the ends. Looks kind of nice design. But anyways, this comes with, like I said, there's 3 of these in the pack it comes with, so that's pretty cool. And this design is kind of like universal, so you could use it for birthday parties or just whatever, and it's not really going to clash with anything, I think, too majorly. So pretty cool. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.